In front of me is Xiaomi 14T, and today I would like to show you how you can turn on and use keyboard Clipboard. Begin by launching your keyboard and clicking on Clipboard at the top of it. Then use this switcher at the top right corner to activate it, and to go back to standard keyboard use this arrow at the top left one. Now to use Clipboard, copy or cut any text, and to paste it instantly, click on it at the top of your keyboard. To paste it later on, click on Clipboard and tap on your text over here. In order to pin it, click on this pen at the top right corner, select your text, use pin icon, and to unpin it, do exactly the same. To delete one of your sentences, tap on the pen again, select your text and use pin icon next to the pin one. Lastly, to disable Clipboard, use the same switcher as before. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!